Hello students, in this tutorial we will see how to create tables in HTML. So we use here editor, Notepad++, and I am typing basic structure of any HTML page, and I am saving here this file into my folder. Table demo.html. Then the tags are highlighted after saving the document. Now the main tag for creating table in HTML is table. This is the parent tag. Then inside table there are multiple rows. For rows there is a tr tag. Tr means table row. Inside row there are multiple columns, so we may use th or td for a single column. I'm here using th, means first row I want to highlight by using table headers, so I use here th, means table header. Then the content like roll number, I want header like roll number, then name, then we can say course, then field. So these are the headers of first row or columns for this first row. Then like same way I'm creating second row, but instead of using th I am using here td because this is a table data. This is column 1 header, this is second column header, this is third column header, and this is fourth column header. Now in second row this is the first column data, and our first column is roll number, so I am giving here the data for roll number like 12. Then second column data, second column is name, so I give Ramesh here for example. Then third column, as we know here, course, so I am giving here BCA. And third, after third there is fourth column fees, so I am giving here 20,000. We can give as you want, and this is the table data end. So we see how our web page looks. So this is our data. Like I am saying, this is the first row and I am using th, so these are highlighted, and this is the normal row data. So we create some more rows. I am here copy paste, but you need to create some different rows with some different values. Now I want this table at the center of this page, so we all know there is one center tag, so we use here center, and close here. All are paired tags here, so there is start and end tag. Then for more attractive tables, we do some attributes like border is equal to 1. As I see here, immediately the effect is there. Then I want some spacing inside the cell, so there is one property or attribute of this table, cell padding. Cell padding is equal to suppose 10 pixels. Then we will see the effect. So the padding inside the cell, spaces inside the cell is the cell padding. Then if I want the space between any two cells, then this is the space, this is the space. Actually the space between these two cells is the cell spacing. I am using 10 pixel again here. Then see the effect. This is the space, means outside cell. The space between two cells means this space is the cell spacing, and this is the horizontal space. Now we give the width of table. Width is equal to, suppose in whole web page I want my table in 70% of the page, then I am giving 70%. Maximizing the page means according to the page my table width is adjusted. Now, this is the whole width of a page. This is the whole width 100%, and I am using here 70%. So this is the simple tutorial how to create tables in HTML. Along with this, we can add caption to the table. This is also a header tag, means we give some name to the table. So we use caption tag here, student details. So it will automatically center and it appears above the table. If we want some heading like H1, H2, then we may give to this caption. So it looks like this. So this is the basic tutorial for how to create tables in HTML. Then in next video we will see how to use COLSPAN and ROWSPAN. Thank you.